Okay, this video is about the location of the thermostat on the 2.2 EcoTec motor, the GM motor, found in a lot of cars, Malibus, Cobalts, HHRs, anything with the 2.2 EcoTec. I think it's from 2002 to 2011. I'll check that and I'll put a link on the description. So basically, the engine's out of the car, so I'm just showing you an easy one. This is the front of the car. You open up the hood. In the back, you're going to have the exhaust manifold. Now, this is the newer style where you would have here. Hold on, let me spin around. Now, I'm looking at the side. Transmission will be here. This will be like this. And basically, you have your two bolts here. See, this is the main hose that goes to the radiator over here, this one. You take these two bolts off, and your thermostat's right here, all right, in the housing. It's on the side. On the older ones, let me come over here. On the older ones, they're like this. So basically, see where it was over here on the other one? This is where the exhaust is over here. Let me zoom this out. Okay, the exhaust is over here. To get an idea, transmission's here. You're going to be looking down this way. The one I just showed you is right here. This one is under the exhaust, and it's right here. You see? Move it out of the way. All right, your exhaust will be here. The firewall's here, exhaust, and then it's right here. The two bolts that comes out. It's a little harder. I believe this is an older engine. This is a 2004. This came out of a Malibu. And the newer ones, they made it off to the side. So just a quick note before you start the job, it's not that easy when it's in the back. You know, like if you just want to replace it just for maintenance, you may want to wait a little bit longer versus the one that's on the side on that other engine on the floor. All right, just a little quick video. If you guys, want to know where it is, and there's two different designs as far as I can see. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Thank you. Bye.